Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look using all Maybelline products. You heard that right. This is a one brand product review featuring Maybelline. If you're interested in seeing this video, please keep watching. So I started off with a fresh face. I already did my brows off camera and I used the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel. In this clip, I'm just applying my moisturizer. So we're gonna start with the Instant Age Rewind in the color Caramel, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lid. I'm gonna use this as my base color before I do my eyeshadow. So I'm just taking a brush, and I believe this brush is by BH Cosmetics. I'm sorry, I don't know the number because I've had these brushes for years. So I'm just gonna blend that concealer all over my lid, making sure not to miss any spots and being sure that I blend it evenly, even taking my beauty blender to ensure that I get a perfectly smooth canvas. And for the first product, I'm gonna grab the City Mini palette, and this palette is called Concrete Runway, and it features a lot of beautiful colors. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that gray color and begin to blend that into my crease. And that's just going to be my transition color. Literally, you're not going to even be able to see that color, but it'll just assist in the blending process of the actual colors that you would see. So now I'm going to take my other City Mini palette, and this one is the City Mini X Shayla. Makeup Shayla, if you're not familiar with her, she's a beauty blogger here on YouTube, as well as she has a large following on Instagram. I love her. So this is a collab between Maybelline and Shayla, and in this palette I'm going to grab that burgundy color and I'm going to apply it to my crease. Pigment was beautiful. So I'm just going to keep applying that to my crease till I achieve the color that I like. Blending the outer corners as well as a back and forth motion till about the middle of my crease. And there I am dancing. Music helps me get through the makeup process. So now I'm going to grab this black color in that same City Mini X Shayla palette. And I'm going to apply this directly in the corner of my eyelid, not bringing it too far into the crease. I want it to be like a smoked out look, so I'm just going to apply it right there in the corner. And I noticed that I began to lose a little bit of that burgundy color, so I just went back in with my fluffy brush, and this brush is from Morphe. I'll be sure to list all the brushes below that I used. So now I want to cut my crease, so I'm going to take that Instant Age Rewind in the color Caramel, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Try to evenly apply that, taking it about halfway to my lid, and then just making sure that I'm blending it out really thin and even throughout both sides of my lid. And then I'm just gonna go back in and blend my life away. A little bit more into my crease, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend that even more. So now it's time for my favorite part, and that is the face, the skin. So I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Prime, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I love this primer. I use it in my everyday makeup routine. And I also want to mention that I haven't used any of these products before. Besides the primer and the concealer I'm going to contour with. For the foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this is for normal to oily skin, and I am in the color 330 Toffee. And although this foundation appears to be a little light, it matches my neck perfectly. and it was the closest match for me. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and then I'm just gonna blend that all in, making sure to really press it into the skin, because I like for my foundation to look like skin. And I'm really not into matte foundations, but I thought I'd give it a try, and I actually like the finish of this foundation. Okay, next I'm gonna go back with the Instant Age Rewind, and once again I'm in the color Caramel, and I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and Cupid's bow. I'm gonna take that same beauty blender and blend. Now I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer to contour, and this is in the color Coca. And I love this concealer. This is a oldie but a goodie. I've never had it in this color. I've had it to highlight under my eyes. But I love the consistency of this, and I thought it would be great to use for my contour, because I couldn't find any cream contour by Maybelline. I kept going back and forth to the store. Y'all have to excuse my crazy faces. I swear you never realize how much of a crazy face you make until you watch yourself on camera. So I'm just gonna contour my nose. Get that nose snatched, honey. Okay, and now for the star of the show, I need to bake. What is a beat without a bake? So I'm gonna take the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm in the color Medium Deep. I just love the packaging. You guys know that I am a sucker for good packaging, and I just think this packaging looks so high end. Maybelline definitely did a good job with that. Now with this powder, I said it's the star of the show because it is amazing. It leaves your skin looking and feeling amazing, and I've heard that before I tried it, so the reviews are real. They are not lying. This is so bomb, but a little goes a long way, and I did find that I did apply a little bit too much, but that's okay. I fixed it in the end. So now I just went ahead and popped on my lashes off camera. I personally like to cream contour as well as powder contour. I like to set my contour. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Master Contour, and that is in Medium Deep. Also very beautiful palette. It also comes with a blush and a highlight. I didn't use those two, but if you guys would like for me to review those, then I definitely will. Just leave a comment below. I was a little leery about this, and that's why I started putting it on slow, but once I seen it, I was so amazed by the color. I love it. So now my favorite part, one of my other favorite parts, the highlight, that bling bling. So I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and this is in the color Molten Gold, and I was so impressed by this. It is so beautiful. I will be incorporating this into my everyday makeup look as well. I love this highlighter. Like big on highlighter, but I hate for it to just be like a blunt line of highlighter, so I like to go in with my beauty blender and just press it into my skin a little bit more. And then there I am, just trying to blend everything together. So unfortunately I didn't get a lip pencil for Maybelline, so I had to go in with Cork by MAC, which is my all-time favorite. And the lip gloss I'm going to be using is Maybelline Vivid Hot Lip Gloss. This is in the color Tea. The lip gloss was really pretty, but it was a little bit too pale for me, so I went in with e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the color Champagne Glam. So for my bottom and top lashes, I'm going to go in with the Great Lash by Maybelline, and this is in Very Black. I'm just going to apply that. And this is the finished look. I am so impressed with all these products from Maybelline. I'll definitely be repurchasing as well as incorporating some of these products into my everyday makeup routine. I had so much fun filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching.